English, Poem 1, A Happy Song. So students, this is really a happy song because it is an action song. You like action song? You does action in the class? Yes. How many of you have read this poem? I hope everybody has read till now. Let's read again. Clap, clap, clap and clap your hands. Clap your hands together. I think many of them are singing as well as clapping. Yes or no? Good. Do it. Tap, tap, tap and tap your feet. Tap your feet together. By sitting also you can tap your feet. Yes or no? I hope you are enjoying. Walk, walk, walk and walk around. Walk around together. Now this thing you cannot do by sitting. All you can move your hands to and fro. Yes or no? But we will do it later. Jump, jump, jump and jump around. Jump around together. So students, what is this poem about? This poem is about fun, enjoying with friends, doing physical movements, or you can say moving your body parts. It is a kind of exercise you does in your physical education period. Your physical education teacher says, students gather here. Come on, let's do some warm-up exercise. First of all, stand erect. You all stand, yes or no? Then teacher says, jump. Everybody starts jumping, yes or no? Teacher says, stop. Teacher says, raise your hands. Up, down. Shake your hands. You all shake your hands. Move your body. Then you all move your body. You push your friends here and there. Then teacher starts scolding and she says, stop it now. Enough. More than enough. Yes or no? Yes. Now I will be showing you some pictures on the screen. So you must do the action by seeing it. So let's see one by one. Look at the picture. Clap. Clap your hands. Louder. Louder. What is this? Tap. Tap your foot. See? Tapping. We tap our foot while dancing. What is this picture? Walk. Children are walking. See? They are walking to school. You come to school by walking? Yes. What is this? Jump. Jumping on a trampoline. Jump. You all jump in the class? Yes. So students, there is no explanation needed for this poem. You have to perform the actions by reading this poem. And you know it. To do the actions you know very well because you have studied actions in your kindergartens. Yes, in the general knowledge book I think, in the EVS picture book. So let's read the poem again. Poem 1, A Happy Song. Clap, clap, clap and clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Clap while singing, students. Tap, tap, tap and tap your feet. Tap your feet together. Walk, walk, walk and walk around. Walk around together. Jump, 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 jump around. Jump around together. So students, I hope you enjoyed this poem by singing and doing actions. Even I enjoyed it. Thank you.